So hello there and welcome back to Alex's Wardrobe. Fantastic to have you here. Now, I had noticed on my analytics that wait for it, I need to lean down and get them. My cowgirl boots threw you guys into a bit of a tiz. And it's interesting because these are not statistically what my subscribers would usually go for. However, when I did you a few outfits, you seemed to really like it. So, what I've bought you today are 3 new, incredibly gorgeous outfits. And these outfits are specifically aimed at our mid-size, mid-aged ladies, but something to just really look at how beautiful and flattering different shapes look. So, the first one I am wearing is here. I'm going to pop, I don't know if I took a photo. If I took a photo, it's going in now, but actually I don't think I took a photo in this particular outfit, but don't worry about that. So this outfit today, I did a bit of styling with. So what we can do is we'll go through the outfit and then I'll add in some footage of what that looks like. How does that sound? All right, so the first outfit today was matched up with this really pretty, almost raffia style belt, as you can see here. Really lovely. And that worked really well because it's quite a light colour, but I did want to tone it in with my boots. So I also found this gorgeous waistcoat. And this is really cowgirl-esque, if I'm honest. So as you can see, I'll show you the front. We've got like a suede waistcoat and these gorgeous tassels just running off the bottom there. So once I put this together with my denim outfit and added in a lovely little hat, the look just came together. I've got these earrings on, take a look at those, and this pretty necklace. So, shall I show you some footage of what that looked like? Here it comes. So what did you think of this outfit? Is it a day outfit, do you think? Is it the kind of thing you'd go out for brunch in maybe? Are we feeling like this amazing shape here is super flattering for your mid-sized girls? Because I think it is. And nipping in with the belt, just bringing the waist in, giving that illusion of a smaller waist, really does help with this outfit. Now don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos, what I need you to do is to like, subscribe, and definitely comment, because your comments help the algorithm so much. And this is a baby channel and I'm still trying to grow, and I can only do that. Okay, back to the outfits. Alright, so moving on to our next outfit, I actually changed the look up quite a lot. I added in these really pretty, let me bring them up close, gorgeous earrings. And again, these were actually bought for me by an amazing subscriber who just wanted to send me a little treat that day and said he thought that these earrings would really brighten my day, which he was absolutely correct at. So we started the look with those earrings. Once again, I went in with this really pretty little hat right here. And then I changed the look up with this dress. So all of the dresses today have got a similar shape on them, that lovely loose lettuce kind of leaf cut out on the front, which is what I'm going with for how flattering these look. So this one, fantastic cotton fabric for summer, just doesn't even look that special off the hanger, but I did add in a cute little stretchy belt. And as you'll see in the try on, I think this is an absolute winner with those cowgirl boots. But of course you will let me know in the comments which is your favourite, won't you? I can't wait to hear what you think. Tell me all about it. I really want you to take a look at these amazing earrings. They just look so good with the outfit. What do you think? Pop down in the comments if you think they go really well. Okay, now moving on to my third outfit. And this is really an amazing hack, I think, that any of you girls, sissies, any of you, can do if you've got a dress that's not really hitting the mark, not giving you that shape that you're looking for, you're going to see. Now, you've seen this dress before, but not like this. So you may have seen this dress in my last cowgirl boots video. However, I love the top on it, by the way. The top is really pretty, great little sweetheart neckline there, but the bottom just didn't fit very nicely. So in this case, I've actually scalloped the bottom myself, so we've gone short at the front, but keeping that beautiful length at the back. I think this is so feminine, takes away all the issues of, oops, my skirt's too short, it's a little bit difficult in public, and completely transforms the shape of the dress. So, all of you ladies and sissies out there, I need you to keep an eye on this and have a think on it. Wait till you see it in the try-on. You'll see what I'm talking about. I really changed this one up a bit though. So, we paired this with, wait for it, she's beautiful. Look at this fabulous felted green cap with this really pretty feather decoration and leather band on it. If we can just, what are we saying? And then I added to that, because this dress really does lead itself into going really over the top, I think. You could, this is the dress, these are the colours, and those are the earrings. Wow. They're from the same place as the other earrings, obviously. So pretty, can you see that? The colours up close, they're amazing. And then I just added on more of a hipster style belt, again just to bring all the browns and the neutrals together. So I'm really excited to hear what you think of this outfit. So with no further ado, let's do it. Would you like to see what this outfit looks like? Here it comes. Look at these amazing earrings. Aren't they gorgeous? Let me come up really close to you. Take a look at those. It's like they were made to go with this outfit, right? They're just beautiful. Oh, thank you to the incredible subscriber that sent me these. Don't forget to like. what did you think then? Tell me, which was your favourite outfit? Do you have a favourite? I mean, personally, I loved all of them, especially the one at the end with this new hack on it, because that is going to transform so many of my beautiful dresses. And there's lots of things you can do with that. So you could take the hem, you could actually stitch it. You could also take a lighter and just sear the end of it so that it doesn't fray at all. Maybe even some wonder web. You could just pop a bit of that on if you wanted to tidy the edging. Me personally, I quite like a raw edge. I don't mind it.